Haikou, hey yeah, Haikou, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything, little bit of everything, everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.
So we're in Haikou. We're going to be walking down the street. There's a ton of like fish and different items down that way that we're going to explore. Usually I film an entire street, and this street looks like very photogenic and filmable, but I kind of want to get right into all of this because there's a lot of stuff happening right there, and there's people selling mostly live fish. So let's go check it out. Haikou in Hainan Island in China. All right, and this one is such a cool street because it's live fish right from the ocean, and I'm gonna call this one Fish Street. But we're right in the middle of all the cool stuff of Haikou. And this just happens to be outside of the little cool arcades that where all the tourists are at, and just kind of like this marketplace of fish right on the side of the road with people coming by. You're going to see all of that because I'm going to be playing that. I got some music. You can see that, the lyrics as well. And we're going to get right into the walk and talk part, and you can feel as if you were there yourself. All right, let's check out this little slice of Haikou, China, and Hainan Island. See, I don't know, maybe the street where they're selling live fish. Maybe I can call it something like that, because maybe the name of the street probably won't have any meaning. But it's also right along the line of some of the tourist areas, which is right here, which is the pedestrian street. So you'll see your vegetables. So they're selling vegetables and fish and chicken as well. And then this is a tourist street right there. So all the bicycles have to park here. And then I saw some alleys down that way, and they sell fish. And more stuff. So yeah, they're selling all kinds of seafood. Yeah, I used to live in Busan. I used to live near this really, Busan, South Korea. And I lived by this really big market, and it had the same smell. Check out that, how big that fish is, wow. So people would come up on their bikes, buy these big fish. Okay, so let's navigate. So I think the people on the motorbikes are also looking for good fish to buy as well, because a lot of them have bags on their produce on their bikes. So they actually come here deliberately looking for fresh foods. And so yeah, this is this particular street right here. There's fish scales even. And I think this is, let me just see where we are. This is gonna go around the corner, and I think most of the fresh foods are right here. You can see some meat up there, they're chopping away up there. Garlic, lime, fruit. There's a whole street right here. Actually, this should be the street that I should be filming. And then this one is kind of interesting right here because here's a person who's bringing stuff right there. And I guess this is actually the corner of a street called Dadong. Now I can see it more clearly. So there's Dadong right there. So that's the name of the street. And so yeah, they're basically fresh fish and meat everywhere here. So yeah, really, really fresh. Hard to navigate. Wow, that fish is huge right there. Wow. Wow. It's gonna be hard to navigate through this though. Some houses. This street goes down quite a ways too. Wow. But you can see they have stuff on their bikes, right? So they're coming through the market to buy things. So they'll come by on their motorbikes or they'll be walking. So there's like fresh fish in that contraption there. So pretty cool. If we can, it's hard to navigate. So you get all kinds of fish. Oh, you got like cheese things there. So yeah, you can see the fresh produce on their bikes, right? So first you wonder why they're on their bikes in here, but then later you can see that there's a reason, because they're shopping. Take your bike down to the market, put it on your bike and go. This street goes down quite a ways too. So let me see, I don't know how long I'm going to go down it. I think I'm just going to end it pretty soon, but you can see that it goes down quite a ways. Then they keep the floor all wet too, so I don't know if that's because things are coming in or they're just constantly washing it down. But anyways, get a little slice of got all kinds of stuff. Stuff from the sea. Okay. So on that note, I am going to end this quickly video, but now you have an idea what it looks like. Now I gotta walk all the way back. But anyways, another slice of Haikou in Hainan Island of China.
Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou City.